Ready to unlock a world of smart finance from Bangladesh? Let's get your Revolut account set up. First things first, eligibility to create a Revolut account from Bangladesh. You generally need to be at least 18 years old and have residency in Bangladesh. You'll also need a smartphone that can download and run the Revolut app. The first practical step is to download the Revolut app. Head over to your device's App Store that's Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iPhone and search for Revolut. Once you find it, tap to download and install. Now, open the Revolut app. You'll be immediately prompted to sign up. Enter a valid email address you have access to and create a strong, secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember but is difficult for others to guess. Next, you'll need to enter your mobile phone number. Revolut will send a verification code to this number via SMS. Input this code into the app to confirm that the number is indeed yours. Now, it's time to fill in your personal details. You'll be asked for your full name, date of birth, and your residential address in Bangladesh. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it needs to match your documentation. The crucial step is identity verification. Revolut needs to confirm who you are. You'll typically be asked to upload or take pictures of your government's identification. This could be your passport, national ID card, or driving license. Ensure the photos are clear and all details are visible. In addition to your ID document, you might also need to complete a quick selfie. This facial recognition step helps Revolut verify that the person in the ID document matches the person creating the account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully for this. Once you've submitted your documents, Revolut will review them. This process usually takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take a bit longer. You'll usually receive a notification within the app once your verification is complete. Congratulations! Once your account is verified and activated, you'll have full access to Revolut's features. You can now order a virtual or physical card, send and receive money, and explore all the ways Revolut can simplify your financial life right here from Bangladesh. Welcome to Revolut.